A Category 3 hurricane map is an invaluable tool for anyone in the path of a tropical storm. It provides a visual representation of the storm's location, intensity, and movement. It gives people a way to plan evacuation routes or take necessary precautions in their homes. These maps are very accurate and up-to-date. Category 3 hurricane maps are usually created by meteorologists in a lab. They use satellite imagery, radar records, and other weather data to create the most accurate image possible. The information included in a hurricane map includes intensity of the storm, wind speed, areas that could be affected, coastal warnings, and probability of flooding. It also includes details about the hurricane's location, direction, and speed of motion. This is important for anyone seeking to take appropriate action to avoid harm. Category 3 hurricane maps are typically issued by the National Hurricane Center as part of an official weather advisory. This is done before any storm has made landfall. The map will show the storm's current location, the expected path, and the probabilities of the storm hitting the map's specific region. Businesses and coastal areas typically use Category 3 hurricane maps to determine where to evacuate people, how to secure buildings, and how to organize emergency management services. Individuals can also use these maps to identify potential danger areas and to plan evacuation routes. There are many different kinds of hurricane maps, but the most widely used are Category 3 hurricane maps. Hurricanes are classified into categories 1 through 5 depending on the wind speed and storm intensity. Category 3 hurricanes usually have winds ranging from 111 to 129 miles per hour, and they have very destructive capabilities. Category 3 hurricane maps are extremely useful for both information and emergency preparation purposes. The map will have various color divisions to mark hurricanes with different levels of intensity and location. Some of the colors on the map will represent hurricane categories, while other regions on the map are used for specific warnings and alerts. Additionally, the map contains information about the storm's history and evolution. The map also provides details about the probability of a storm reaching a specific location or region. Since the maps are updated regularly, people in danger areas have a better chance of finding shelter or a way to evacuate before the storm reaches them. It is important to stay informed about the current status and information provided by Category 3 hurricane maps. By being aware of the storm's location and intensity, individuals can better prepare for a potential disaster. When a hurricane is in the process of forming, the map can help predict its path and potential dangers. It can be used to determine if it is necessary to evacuate an area and how soon it is necessary to do so. Category 3 hurricane maps are extremely valuable to anybody in the potential path of a tropical storm. They allow people to gain insight into the storm's power and movement so they can make informed decisions. Businesses and coastal areas rely on these maps to warn their residents and employees of potential risks.